1. Here we go. Well, requesting everybody gonna make some noise. Well, if your hands are free at this moment, could I ask all of you to put your hands together and make some noise for these people, the beautiful couple and their families. Well, 10 years of togetherness, 10 years of love. Sometimes up, sometimes down, but definitely they have done it. They have done it with the help of their family, with the blessing from above, and the love from all of you, everybody. Well, thank you so much, everybody. And I request all of you to put your hands together, make some noise for this beautiful couple. Okay, well, thank you. But could I have all these people who are there, could I request you all to kindly walk over here? Well, you guys are too far. Well, being married is the nicest thing to be, and today, well, yes. Yesterday we witnessed this beautiful couple in love, giving their vows and much more, sharing their happiness with one another and the family members. Well, to start with the groom. Okay, I'm going to start with you. Just to give you a short intro about them. Well, starting with this wonderful years of togetherness, 10 numbers back from back. Okay, you start from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it pop.
Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know how happy you're standing. Congratulations and celebrations. We want the world to know how happy you're standing. We want the world to know how happy as can be.
Well, wishing the couple a very happy married life and congratulations to the entire family. Well, up next to move forward, yes, we're going to be having a champagne to pop. And could I request a cousin to buy, well, could I have Melvin to pop the champagne for us? Requesting Melvin to kindly step in. Well, everybody gonna make some noise. Come on, put your hands together for this. Okay, so Melvin, before you pop, I'm gonna put it this way, okay? So, let's focus on the cork, okay? And let's focus on the couple. So we are planning for the future. Okay, if the cork flies like 2 meters, it's gonna be one child. If it flies 2 meters, twins. If it goes 5 or 10 meters, then you decide to go right for world team. Always. 6 meters, so good. Alright, thank you so much, Melvin. Well, could I request everybody to clap for him, please? Okay, well, up next to jump forward, well, yes, we're going to be having someone who's going to be singing a Saudi Chekata. Well, this personality has worked on a theatre, on stage for more than 50 years. Well, someone who is good in acting, singing, writing, and much more. Well, he is a lab assistant in St. Lawrence for 22 years. Requesting everybody, he was, alright. Requesting everybody to put your hands together, make some noise. And we have Socorro de Santa Cruz.
Check. That's one. Okay.
His melodious voice, people. Well, yes, that was Socorro de Santa Cruz. And up next, to reply to this beautiful toast song, we're going to be having Lisha with these beautiful words coming out from her mouth.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thank you for coming and being a part of my second day. Thank you everyone. For my mom's madam, sir and her friend who came all the way from Kuwait. Bye. And for my Martians with us now. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Okay, Masya, Montan Maraya. Okay, well, thank you so much. And well, to end with this, well, could I request everybody to kindly put your right hand up high. Okay, and we're going to use a word, beautiful word by Portuguese, viva, which means alive. So everybody, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys are full of love and energy, and I'm going to say this throughout the night. So not going to waste much time, but yes, what we're going to have is something special. It's going to be the second day march. You guys ready? Let's do it with the space. Well, everybody, yes. On the second day here, the Saviors and listeners. But can I request everybody to kindly hold on to your partners right now and let's join. Well, we would love to see some more people joining us in. Come on. Okay, well, up next to you, but can I request all of you to kindly put your hands up, and wave, and up, 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 up. We have a special dance and it's going to be a special song by band 7 Notes. Sadaka Rauchi is the song. So at this moment, could I request all of you to kindly hold on. But can I request everybody to come close?
Mogan Poronami, Watu Nito Gaini, Jivitachi.
Well, I'm going to give you a countdown. You're going to say hey. All right. 3, 2, 1. Say hey. But can I request everybody to kindly join us with your partners, your loved ones. Can I have everyone on the dance floor, please?
to Philippines. Roof on fire. They'll put you in cheap, we're gonna dance. I'm gonna go fire. Let's bring drinks to the church, do the ball out, let the roof on fire. Shake, now baby, take it close and shake on the tree and knock the roof on fire. Shake, baby, baby, I'm on fire. Shake, baby, baby, I'm on fire, boy.